Alright guys, crypto market, welcome back. We got the Ethereum under the spotlight today. The market is on the back foot. I think we're gonna use that to our advantage. At the end of the day, we are bullish on the market from the medium to long term perspective, right? We already established a bullish campaign on the Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Monero. That's why I'm saying I want to take advantage of this drop. I think it's local. I think it's very short-lived, and I think the Ethereum is just presenting a very attractive levels right now to pick it up. And I'm gonna try to present the case here for that, right? So right now, daily chart. When we look at the daily chart, we look at the short-term cycle, which is very well presented here by this purple system, right? All we can see up to this point is one move up and the second one all the way down, stretching all the way down to the very edge of that system. The last level of support here is 1714 almost, right? This is short-term perspective. Now let me show you the big picture. Big picture looks like this, and here I would like to drive your attention to the black system, right? The black system here. This is the formation 1, 2, 3, all the way down 4. I think price action is faking a breakdown right now, right? That's where price action tries to draw in a lot of sellers, right? Just to squeeze them out when it's turning around, or it just tries to shake off weak hands, people, traders, investors that are holding the Ethereum. That's where it squeezes them out by presenting such a negative, right? Negative overview. I don't think 1895 is going to cave in so quickly. It proved itself last time price action was hitting it. That was a couple of weeks ago. I think price action is just fake. Like I said, it's taking right now. It's taking the previous low, right? By the way, just slightly. I mean, there's not a huge margin there, but it does take the previous low. Just imagine all the stop loss levels that were sitting right here, right? So it dries up that area. It's gonna have an easier time to turn around. All right. So I think by the end of the week, which we have 3-4 days to go, in cryptocurrency terms. The week officially closes out at Sunday midnight. So we got 2-3 days, right? So price action, I think it will come back up and land inside 1895 by the end of the week. And if it's not going to do that by the end of the week, I believe it will do it by the end of the month. All right? The end of the month is 5 days from now. So I just gave you the timetable for both perspective. But hey, I want to back that up. I want to back that up with an active position. That's what I'm going to do right here, right now. Just launch an active position. One lot is the equivalent of $10,000 position size on the Ethereum. We're going to use the stop loss level of 1600. I think that's far enough to keep us safe here, even if it's going to be a little bit spiky. And we're going to use the target, guys. Pay close attention. We're not going to try to aim for 3017, even though it is our final destination. Right now, we're just focused on the very short-term cycle, which means the local resistance of 2079 is our official target for this particular bullish campaign, right? We're going to break it down. If we're going to have here an upside reversal, a full-fledged upside reversal that's going to push price action all the way up to 3017, we're going to break down this move at least to 2 separate stages. All right, guys, there you go. Pulling the trigger live on the Ethereum, $10,000, the equivalent, and let's see where this takes us. That's about that for the day today. Enjoy the rest of it. We're going to be back on Monday. Take care.